Hello listener, welcome to Digital Solution. Today I want to share you how to design a intro for our YouTube channel or Facebook or Instagram. So let's start the video. At first we go to canva.com www.canva.com. Press enter, click on login, continue with Google. So I have an account in Canva. That's why I click login. If you are beginner, then you click sign up. So this is the interface of Canva. We going for a intro design by Canva. That's why we click design spotlight. Then we find this is a video intro maker. So click this. Then click on create a YouTube intro. You can also create it for Facebook or Instagram. So this is the blank surface and we get some template. So some are paid like premium and some are totally free. This is paid. We can't use this. So we find for free. So scroll down. We find out the best intro for our channel. So this is good. Click and add the timeline and play. Okay. Double click and change the name. Here I put DCLE solution. Okay. Now minus the size decrease the size. Okay. And drag and drop to okay. Set digital solution. Okay. So now play. Add the picture like design elements. I can add the elements or your own picture. You can add your own picture. So this picture I will add. Okay. So this is okay right now, and this is time to share. Click on share and click download, and now download. So download is processing. So this is our intro. Now we add sound. So now we edit the video. So I add our intro and import some sound. Okay, I add some sound. So first I add my intro video in timeline, match the media. Okay, Okay, now I add sound. So you can add your music. So you add your music. So add add the music and dra, trim the music from end of video and dispersion delete, and now play. Okay, your intro is ready. Now render preview and then export. Okay, export processing. This is your video. Look at your video. So this is now look like a professional. Okay, thank you very much.